Hey, and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to be doing a quick brief overview of Maya's Quad Draw tool. It's a great tool for creating new topology or for retopologizing an already existing mesh. In this example, we will use this tool to add an extruded extra detail which aligns perfectly with our existing mesh. To get to the Quad Draw tool, we can either get to it by going to the modeling toolkit, or by heading up to Mesh Tools, Quad Draw. For Maya to know which object we want to draw on, we need to make it live. So make sure you're in object mode and select the mesh, head up to the little magnet icon and just click it to make the object live. You should see your name populate this little input here. So let's just go over some of the very basics of the tool. Just clicking on the live surface, we can drop dots. Think of these dots as verts, as that's what they're going to be converted to in just a minute. So it's nice to add them in fours so that we can convert them to quads. Use Ctrl and Shift click to remove components. So we can use that here to remove this extra dot. Hold Shift and click. This will give us a polygon which we can then further manipulate, like so. Holding the Control key allows us to add edge loops and has similar functionality to the Insert Edge Loop tool. We can middle click to center the position of the new edge too. We can use Control and Shift click to remove an entire edge loop. A nice thing which can often help is relaxing our topology, and we can do so by holding Shift and dragging our mouse over the surface. This allows us to relax our verts, smoothing the position of each of them. The beauty of this tool is that it works so fast, and it doesn't take long before you have some good looking topology to work with. Now we have this shape which is going to be sufficient for this example. We can come out of the tool by pressing Q, so by going into the selection mode, and we can use Ctrl E to extrude. This example would be a quick way of making panels or pockets in clothes, for example. But this tool is a powerful one, packed full of features for some fast retopology and other use cases. Let me know over on the Discord server if you would like a more in-depth video on this topic, and I'll see what I can do. So I think that pretty much wraps up everything I wanted to cover in this video. Be sure to join the Discord server to chat with a great community of fellow modelers, and check out my Gumroad for access to the members only chat and a whole bunch of assets and tools. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, hit that like and subscribe buttons, come chat with me on the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video.